What's up guys, Kevin here. Today I'm going to show you how you can eliminate the rattling and the noise while riding. There are 3 locations on the truck where it might cause rattling and noise. I'll address them one by one. The first location is around this spherical bearing due to the metal-on-metal contact. I would say it's a flip side of the spherical. They are very smooth and fluid when riding on smooth surfaces. However, when you're riding on rough surfaces, it might cause some noises. So first, let's take the truck apart. Now you want to apply some grease around the bore of the spherical, as well as on the pivot pin where it inserts the bearing. Any lithium-based grease or multi-purpose grease will do. As you know, I work in the bike shop, so I'll just use the grease we have at the workshop. So it's the Shimano premium grease, or sometimes we use this Top 3000. For US-based riders, the field-wood waterproof grease is a good one as it's sticky and it stays on for a longer time. The second location where it might cause the rattling noise is around this Roadside Cup Washer. So simply apply a thin layer of grease around this hole of the cup washer. When you're tightening the kingpin nut, you probably want to add another turn clockwise to ensure the bushings are fully preloaded. This will help eliminate noise from the cup washer. The third location is around these shims. I understand some riders may prefer not to fully tighten the wheel nuts for various reasons, such as protecting the threads from being damaged or to initiate slides more easily. However, loose shims might cause noise and rattling while riding due to the vibration. Please make sure you fully tighten these wheel nuts. This not only eliminates noise, but also ensures safer riding and a longer bearing life. And that's it. Thanks for watching and happy skating!